So in the question, a solid sphere of copper of radius r. So it's a solid sphere made up of copper of radius capital R is taken, and a hollow sphere of same material of inner radius smaller and outer radius capital R are taken. So another is a hollow sphere of inner radius smaller and outer radius capital R, and they gave the material used here is same, that is copper. So are heated to same temperature and then allowed to cool in the same environment. So these two are heated to some temperature T and then allowed to cool down. Which of the following of them starts cooling faster? So the main concept here involved is Q is equals to, we know the formula, Q is equals to MC into delta T, where Q is heat energy emitted here. Q is heat energy emitted, M is the mass of body, M is the mass of body, we have whatever we have taken, C is specific heat, and delta T is change in temperature. So now let's compare these values for both solid sphere and hollow sphere. So Q, first we will take Q. Q is the heat energy emitted, which depends on that surface area. So Q is, we know Q by T is K into delta T by X. It depends on A, that is surface area of the spheres. So here the surface area is 4 pi r square and here also same 4 pi r square. So surface area is same and they are heated to same temperature. So temperature difference is also same. So we can take Q is same for both. Q is same for both spheres. And now let's consider M. So M is mass, so it's different. Mass of solid sphere will be greater than mass of hollow sphere. We know, right, any body which is completely filled will be having more weight than a hollow body. So mass of solid sphere will be greater than mass of hollow sphere, and C mainly depends on material of the body. So C mainly depends on the material of body, but in both cases we have taken copper. So C will be constant. So C will be constant and Q will be constant. So we know delta. So from this, delta T will be inversely proportional to mass. So once again I will explain you. So Q is heat energy emitted. It will mainly depend on the temperature change. So we have heated it to same temperature, so temperature will be constant, and surface area is 4 pi r square for both, so surface area will also be constant, so Q will be constant, and C depends on the material we have taken. As we have taken both are of copper, so C also will be constant. So from this equation, delta T will be inversely proportional to mass. So we know here is mass of solid sphere is greater than mass of hollow sphere. As they are of inversely proportional, delta T of solid sphere will be less than delta T of hollow sphere. That means hollow sphere is changing its temperature very fast. So what he asked, which of them starts cooling faster? So here the change in temperature is rate of cooling. So change in temperature is directly proportional to rate of cooling or heating. Here delta T, that is change in temperature of hollow sphere is more, so rate of cooling of hollow sphere will be more. Is more. So this is the answer. Hollow sphere is answer.